It's not working?
It's working. Just say that sometimes.
So usually after someone has a house party, they clean up after the mess. But after this party, it's like
I want to record.
it's like we just gonna give it down because we are housemates. Swag. Clean it up, clean it up, clean it up, up. They're out of here like shit. I don't know how these kids aren't arrogant. They have the life. The life. God, it's so loud. They sound like they're right next to me.
Look at one.
Where?
One the tree.
Am I going blind?
No. One is here. I seen it. The tail. It's hanging.
Okay, oh, okay, okay, I see. Oh, wow. Okay.
And now tree.
You can't even see it, though. No. Shut your punk ass up. Why aren't you all that in a bag of chips?
Where's my shoe? Where's my shoe? Your shoe is in my knife.
Okay, show me around like I'm a new guest.
Oh, you're not a new guest.
I know, I'm not a guest at all now. Show me
Like,
everything.
Come. This is Antenna's shoe.
Okay.
Then, come.
Which room is this?
Mohammed's room.
Mohammed? Our brother?
Mohammed's room. But the daddy's away from here because he stole daddy's phone.
Mohammed?
Yes. And wanted to sell it to someone, so they caught him.
What? Oh my God, is he crazy?
And he always misbehaves. He likes misbehaving.
Oh, okay, I remember one time, I think he took daddy's biro.
I can jump from here to jump. Okay. You die.
It's a lie, you die. You.
I will not die.
You will die.
I will not die. Shut up. I'll kill you. Save me.
Yeah.
Save me, please.
You cannot do it.
Misbehaving. He always beats me.
Mohammed.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I
remember that. I remember that very well.
I like beating people too. So you took daddy's phone. You don't remember Uncle Awal?
Uncle Awal. Yeah, I remember Uncle Awal.
He's no more here again. Daddy drove him too.
Why?
Because Daddy's one was lost. So they suspected him that he was the one that took it. And he even swear that he was not the one that took the money.
So why did they suspect him?
Daddy said he was the one. So Daddy drove him from here. With his children, his wife.
Oh.
And he said, don't see them here. If you see them here, you don't put them in the prison. And torture him.
Ah, God. She is too cute.
Don't go stay here, let him slap you.
No, I'm recording.
Why this coconut? This one small green tea. Is this coconut?
Yes.
Come on.
Not coconut.
Cutie.
Let's go.
Ah. Okay, where's Mama? There's a peacock.
Yes.
Daddy's peacock.
He always open his back, but
You peacock, open your back.
you want to snap.
If I could catch him opening his back, I would be so happy. Open!
Do you have any pets at America?
No, I wish I did. If I could have one, I'd have a cat.
Cat.
Yeah.
You like cats?
Yeah, I love cats.
Puppy.
No, I
Why are you crying?
said cats, not dogs.
You don't like dogs?
You know, as Muslims, we can't really have.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's why I like cats. I want to buy a cat.
I'm slapping you. Oh, Uncle.
Okay, Mama, then have it.
Where's that noise coming from?
What?
Is that the bird?
The peacock.
The peacock? Oh my God, those things are loud.
This is funny.
You can't really see it right now, but the peacock opened its back. It looks really cool if you see it up front. Hey, yo, Papa. I want to go get a shot at the peacock with his back open. Come on. Mama, is that yours? Is that yours? Put it on. Let me see. Put it. Ah, watch out, watch out, watch out. Very nice. Mama. Mom. Very nice. Very, very nice.